Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about some important differences. So let's begin. So the first difference which we'll be talking is placement and induction. As it is clear from the picture, placement is basically assigning specific position to a candidate in an organization, giving him specific rank and responsibility. So we can say that the candidate has been placed in an organization. जैसे कि हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था कि सबसे पहले हमारा प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होता है ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्लानिंग से कि आपको कितनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, किस तरह के लोगों की रिक्वायरमेंट है, दैट इज ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्लानिंग. Then as per the data available to us, we create recruitment. That means we create awareness about the vacancies. अब रिक्रूटमेंट के बाद जब कैंडिडेट्स टर्न अप होते हैं हम उनको सेलेक्ट करते हैं. जो सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट्स होते हैं दे हैव टू बी प्लेस्ड. दिस इज व्हाट प्लेसमेंट इज. And placement precedes induction. After placement there is an induction program. Induction is also known as orientation program, in which employee is being made aware of the organizational policies, rules, procedures, about the benefits which he'll be getting, about the role and task which he has to perform, and various other things which are important. Now let's talk about the second difference, which is transfer and promotion. I hope most of you must be aware of that transfer and promotion comes in internal mobility. Internal mobility मतलब जब क्या हो रहा है कि employees को हम move करा रहे हैं within an organization. They are part of an organization. They are not leaving the organization. Now transfer is what? It is horizontal movement and promotion is vertical movement. Transfer is basically there may be change in job location. They may be part of the same brand, same organization, but the location may change, or they may be shifted to some other department. That is what transfer is. It is basically not accompanied with the increase in salary, increase in status and responsibility, but it is to enhance the versatility of an employee, and maybe in some cases his services is required elsewhere. Now what happens in promotion? Promotion is vertical movement of an employee. It is accompanied with the enhancement in status and responsibility, of course. There may be dry promotion, like promotion may be accompanied with salary hike, or there may be some promotions which are called dry promotions in which there is no salary hike, but definitely there is enhancement in the status of an employee. Now let's talk about layoff and retrenchment. These two terms are very closely related. In both the processes, the employee is getting separated from the organization. The difference is that in layoff, there is temporarily separation of an employee, while in retrenchment, there is permanent separation of an employee. Layoff में क्या होता है? Economic reasons की वजह से या फिर business related reasons की वजह से employees are being asked that for that particular period, for that particular layoff period, they will not be part of that organization, but definitely it is volatile in nature. While what happens in retrenchment, the employee or some employees are being asked to separate from the organization, and it is permanent in nature. अब ये क्यों होता है? It may be due to economic reasons. Economic reasons में क्या हो सकता है कि जनरल अगर इकोनॉमिक में स्लो डाउन आया है, या फिर प्रोडक्ट्स की डिमांड में कमी आई है, या फिर स्टाफ की बहुत ज़्यादा अगर आपके पास सरप्लस में है. Retrenchment I have already discussed in my previous video. Retrenching something means we are cutting down something, we are reducing something. So in HRM it means cutting down the human resources. The difference is that layoff is temporary while retrenchment is permanent in nature. I hope you have understood the topics. Keep learning and keep growing.